I done now.
I'm doing pretty good. Got to take the shitter. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Alright, son. That's my dad there. You gotta take a shit. Hey! There ain't service in there. Hey! There are conservatives in there. Son of a bitch. I can smell it from over here. I got go fair resting in there. Better not hear your teeth backers in there, so fair. Definition. There's a definition over here. The goddamn welcomes. Let me put this son of a bitch down. What? Hold on. I can't hear you. I'm gonna come over there. Here, I'm just knock on the door. Goddamn.
Somebody. How are you doing there?
You're fine. Look at those barrels. You wanna go block a? You wanna steal those barricades? Like block a road?
Hey there, safety man Joe again. I'm back here on the construction site, and we're gonna make a real safe thing to do. We're gonna block off the road because it's pretty dangerous. We don't want any customers coming through and knocking these fuckers down. We don't want them getting in here on our construction site. God damn her. We've been working on 290 for about 10 years and finally got that son of a bitch done. So we're making sure no failures come through and mess up all of our hard work. God damn her. There we go. Beautiful. Right down there. That's safety man Jimber. He's really helpful on helping us every day. We've been out here, like I say, 10 years. It's actually been about 11 because we had a year to set up this place so we could set up 290. It's looking pretty beautiful right now. This honestly, this is the best I've seen. I've never seen such a good job in my life. 4. I think we're gonna get one more. 5 named Clyde. Clyde 5, son of a bitch, sucking on my dick. It's pretty weird. Wasn't tarnishing. Well, damn. This barricade, this is the best I've seen. I've never seen such a good job. This will stop anyone from coming through. What in tarnation? What the hell? Son of a bitch! You messed up my work. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Is that you, safety man?
Fuck you, fuck you. Fuck my wife, you get to pay the price.
I spent hours setting that son of a bitch
I
up.
don't give a fuck. I quit this job 25 years ago. You're gonna do bullshit. Fuck you, fuck your Democrats, fuck your asshole, and fuck you for fucking my wife. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. That bullfucker.
I spent I can't take this anymore, god damn it. Motherfucker, you're gonna get the fuck out of here, son. Son of a bitch. God damn it, I'm so sorry, viewers. I spent my whole life setting that son of a bitch up. Oh shit, he's coming back. Damn crazy redneck. Alright, fuck you. You ruined my barricade.
I don't give a
over there.
fuck. I'm recording this. I'm taking this to the court. I'm done
You
with this.
fucking ruined
I'm
my
done with your
barricade.
bullshit.
Just 'cause I fucked your wife does not give you the right to ruin my barricade. I spent my whole life.
Fuck
on
your
it.
barricade.
See your house right here?
You fucked my
This is where I
wife.
fucked your wife.
You wife.
Fuck you.
Dude, shit whenever. Did you just shit my house apart?
Yes, I-
Here, I'm gonna fucking run your ass over, fucking beaner. Fucking Mexican. Oh, you get out of my house. You ruined my house. You ruined my house. You know what? What I think about that? You're going through the desert right now. Let's go river. My mama's cleavage came out. Her toilet.
Hold on, son. Let me get out real quick, and so I can show the viewers what you're doing. Can you put her in Parker?
Are we going in circles right now?
Yeah, I know that, but I want to show the viewers what it looks like from the outside.
Might have a big bump here in about 5 seconds.
Oh. Ray.
Alright.
Hey, what are you doing there? Yeah, you motherfucker, I'm gonna have to jump out, son of a bitch. You crazy redneck. God damn it. Goddamn Krispy Kreme, son of a bitch. I still fucked your house. I don't know why you're giving me a ride in the first place. I had to jump out of that bitch. Albanian desert out here. You know what? Hey kids, how you doing there? I'm safety man Joe, and we're going to show you how to be safe on the construction site. So if you have any potential customers that are not safe, what you want to do, which one of them isn't safe?
I think all of them. They're all broken as shit.
Okay, well, you just want to...
Jesus Christ alive, that sounded like a semi-machine gun right there. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, Gerald, suck my dick. Oh shit, he's actually dead. Check for a pulse. Son of a bitch. I gotta call the cops. Gerald? God damn it, he's fucking dead. I don't know, I didn't see shit. I'm leaving. I didn't see shit. I didn't see shit. He's dead. He's dead. Oh, he's dead. Oh!
12 gauge when it's a goddamn